You want to know the reason why some people fail at content creation. You see that some people seamlessly transition into content creation, right? And they do well, while some others just stop after uploading a few videos. It is all in the mindset. The truth is, without the right mindset, your tools and your tactics, all those strategies that you're coming up with will not work. It will not even get you that far. But with the right mindset, you can start creating content with confidence, attract the audience that you desire, and the audience that will support you and turn your passion into something massive, something like extraordinary. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you and breaking down the the five key mindset shifts that will set you up for success from day one. All right, let's dive into the video. The first mindset shift is embracing imperfection. Embrace imperfection, all right? Understand that your first few videos, those early videos, are not going to be perfect, and that's okay. The goal is not to put out a perfect video, it's to get your ideas out there, all right? So focus on getting your ideas out there and improve as you go. You cannot expect to put out the best video at your first try. You're just trying out this and you're already expecting that this is supposed to become so mind-blowing and all that. So the thing is, you have to learn as you go. Don't let uploading a perfect video hold you back. So other big creators you're seeing started just like you, and they kept learning and improving each video at a time. So after uploading a video or a blog or whatever content you're putting out, whether pictures, posts, or writing articles, whatever form of content creation that you are putting out. So just understand that your first few contents are not going to be great. So you just have to keep learning as you go. Don't let perfection keep you stuck. All right? So focus on putting out your ideas and learn as you go. The more you put out your idea, the more you learn from your mistakes and then you improve on the next video. All right. So let's move to the next point. All right, for mindset shift number 2, think long term and not short term. All right. I know it is tempting for us small creators to actually focus on our views and how our channel is growing. We see other big creators blowing up, or other creators giving, like, posting and saying, oh, I've become monetized and da da da, posting, and you see other videos, they're having like 100k views, and you're thinking, you get caught up in that. You start focusing on, why is this not happening, why is this not happening like right now? Like, you think of the energy you put in creating your videos and editing them, but then you feel like you're not getting the returns, like you're not getting the results you would want to get. So we just get caught up in that. That is like the main focus of this point. You have to focus on getting your ideas out there and not just on the views. Think of it as building a long-term asset. All right, you have to build it for a while. Don't just focus on like blowing up right now. Just focus on building and learning as you go. Just keep learning, and with time you get to that point that you're actually looking for. So I think most creators get caught up in this particular one, and because of that they just get demoralized. Imagine putting out a video that you have put all your energy, you feel like, this video is definitely going to kill it. Like, you feel like people are going to love this video, and you create the video and put it out there, but you're not getting the kind of engagement you want. That can be demoralizing, actually. So, but then don't focus on just on your views. Don't focus on that. Just keep improving as you go. Focus on putting out your content, and also learn from other creators. Learn from every mistake you make, each video at a time, and improve. Just keep improving. All right. Don't focus on short term. Focus on a long term. It's a long term thing. It's not something that just happens like that immediately. All right. So take your time. It's okay. It's okay, because your first few videos are not going to be perfect, and that's okay. All right. All right. Moving on to mindset shift number 3. Prioritize value over vanity. All right. This is a big one. All right. So instead of focusing on your likes and views, focus on giving value. Focus on providing value. Let all your videos focus on helping people or entertaining them in one way or the other. Your video should provide some kind of value to your audience. All right, because people can see through you, they can see what you're doing, and if your video is not entertaining, or it's not giving them the information they actually want to see or want to hear, get from you, they'll click away, they will leave, and they might not even check out your videos again. All right. So make sure that all your videos are providing some form of value to them. So just focus on that, and not obsessing with likes and views and all that. So you have to keep giving value to grow your audience. Right, so moving along to mindset shift number 4 is overcome the fear of judgment. Like, this is a big one. Like, starting out with content creation, you have to face this fear, because you first of all, you're the one judging you, so you will judge yourself by yourself before other people will start judging you. So you have to overcome this fear, and just putting yourself out there can be scary, I know, but then you still have to do it anyway if this is something you really want to do. And people don't really care like that. What they care about is the information you're giving. Let's say you're putting out a video about how to come up with recipes for let's say a particular dish. Let's say you're into cooking niche, right? So someone finds your video, you think they care about any other thing, they just want to learn what you're teaching them, that's all. And if they get value from that video, they will like, and they would comment, and support your channel or support your page wherever you're putting out your content. So that's the thing. People don't really care about you. They care about what the information you're passing to them. Unless you're scared about your friends or your family to maybe see you struggling or something like that, you have to overcome that fear. All right, overcome it. People don't really care about that. Just focus on you, focus on giving value, and that's all you need. Actually, that is all you need. Which brings us to mindset shift number 5, and this is the last point for this video, and it is consistency beats motivation. Consistency is more important than motivation when it comes to content creation. All right, because motivation comes and goes, but consistency is what builds momentum. You need to be consistent. So create a schedule that you can manage over time, the schedule that works for you, and stick to it. Even if it's posting one video per week, if that's what you can handle, stick to that. Just keep doing it like that. If it is 2 videos, or you can do more than 2 videos, 3 videos, or even every day, whichever schedule you can handle, you know you can keep doing this over time, use that, stick to that schedule and keep posting like that. You keep building your audience because your audience already know that. I mean, when you keep posting like that, your audience already know that that particular day you're going to show up, and they wait for your content for those days, and they, you know, you make them wait and keep looking forward to that particular day that you post, right? So that way you're building your community, you're growing your channel. Like, you just keep doing it, take it one step at a time. All right, keep building your momentum over time, because with consistency you can do this with ease. Actually, I've created a video where you can learn how to be consistent, all right, as a content creator. You can check out the video, and that is after watching this video, that is. All right, check out that video and let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you. If you've watched this video up until this point, thank you and congratulations, because you have gotten the key mindset shift you need for your content creation journey. So these are 5 mindset shifts that would make your content creation smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, embrace imperfection, all right? Think long term. Prioritize giving value. Overcome judgment from others, or overcome the fear of judgment, and stay consistent. Applying all these 5 mindset shifts on your content creation will make like a huge change to your channel. All right, so start applying them from today. All right, start applying them to your content creation and you see the change. You see how easier it gets. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video up until this point. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've gotten any value from this video, and let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Please drop your comments. I want to hear your thoughts, right? Tell me what you would like to see next. Let's talk about, let's have a conversation on the comment section. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.